Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can redeem Doordash gift card online. So to do so, first thing first, open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. Once you open up your web browser, on the search box, you need to type in the link that is www.doordash.com. I'll also make sure to drop the link on my description box below. So enter in your credential and then log into your account. After logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and this is how the interface is going to look like. Once you're on this page, in the upper left hand side corner, you'll be able to see a try bar icon. Click on it. After you tap on the try bar icon, and then the menu page pops up, and you'll need to scroll down a bit, and right in between you'll be able to see an option as gift card. Tap on it. So next page, you'll be taken to the gift card page. On this page, you can either buy gift card or you can simply redeem it right over here. So to redeem your gift card, you'll need to enter in the gift card PIN and a gift card number that might be located on the card or on your email through which you've received the gift card. So type in your information and then click on the redeem gift card option. If the gift card is valid, then you'll be receiving a notification or a statement stating that gift card has been successfully redeemed. In this way, you can redeem gift card on your Doordash account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.